In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to announce your new job on LinkedIn. If you've recently landed a new job and want to share this exciting news with your professional network, LinkedIn is one of the best platforms to make an official announcement. It's a great way to keep your connections informed and possibly even inspire others. To start with, open your favorite web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Simply enter your email and password, then click on the Sign In button. If you've used LinkedIn before, you'll quickly find your way to the main feed, where you can see updates from your connections. Next, let's navigate to your profile. Look to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile picture icon. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can make any necessary updates and changes. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you see the Experience section. This is the area where you list your job roles and accomplishments. To add your new job, locate and click on the plus icon, usually found on the right side of the Experience header. This will initiate the process of adding a new position. In the pop-up window that appears, click on Add Position. You'll see a form where you can fill in the details of your new job. Start by entering your job title, the company name, and your starting date. You can also include your location and, if applicable, check the box to indicate that this is your current position. Don't forget to add a short description of your role, highlighting key responsibilities and any exciting projects you'll be working on. This helps your network understand what you're working on. After filling in all the necessary details, look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the form. Click on it to save the new position to your profile. This action makes the new job part of your LinkedIn Experience section, but you're not quite done yet. Finally, a dialog box should pop up, asking if you'd like to notify your connections about this update. Click on Post Now. This action will share your new role with your LinkedIn network, allowing your connections to engage with your post, including liking, commenting, or even sharing it. And there you have it, an easy way to announce your new job on LinkedIn. By following these steps, you've not only updated your profile, but also shared your career progress with your professional community. Congratulations on your new role, and best of luck in your continuing career journey.